votes, that Duterte Rodi garnered 662,630 votes for the office of mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidate as the duly elected mayor of the city of Davao, province of Davao del Sur. Congratulations!